Now in this video, I am going to teach you step-by-step guide on how you can create and set up a YouTube monetizable channel. And even if you have a channel already, you also need this video, because I will also teach you how to optimize that very channel so that you can start getting views, subscribers on your channel. Now if this sounds like what you are interested in, go ahead and do what, and hit the subscribe button. Are you aware that the way you set up your YouTube channel will determine how well that your YouTube will perform? Some of you have a channel but you did not optimize that channel. You did not tell YouTube algorithm what your channel is meant for, and that is why your channel have not been getting subscribers, has not been getting views, has not been getting engagement. It looks as if your channel is stuck. Now in this video, let me teach you how to optimize your channel so your channel can start getting views and engagement. Now without wasting time, let's
create a YouTube. Okay, you already know where to get it. Download it from Play Store or App Store. After that, it requires you for you to sign in with a Google. Click on sign in with Google. Then the next is click on continue. Then it will bring you to this interface.
Here you have to put your email here. I always advise that if you want to create a YouTube account, you should use a fresh email account, which is Gmail. Create a Gmail account, new one, the one that you have not used for anything. Like I always advise that you use a fresh Gmail to do this. Input it there to bring you to the next part. You put your password, that your Gmail password. After this, you click on next to continue. So we have successfully created a YouTube account. This is a YouTube account. Okay, now all we need to do now is to go ahead and create a YouTube channel, because this one now is just for us to watch film. This one is not a monetizable one, so we have to create a YouTube channel. You know, when you create a YouTube channel, is your YouTube channel that you will now monetize. That is the monetizable one. Do you understand? So right now, let's go ahead and create a YouTube monetizable channel. So look up this way, you see create channel. Click on create channel. When you open this way, you have to come here to fill in the necessary information, starting from your handle. You understand? Your profile picture, your picture. Look at it at the top. You have to look for a nice picture and put it there. Then edit your handle. Very important. Like you're going to edit it and give it a simpler name. Now this is the name that YouTube gave me. It said my username is Uche Okafor PID. You see, this does not sound nice on somebody's ear. That's why you have to edit it and give it a unique name, a good name that when you tell people your handle, it will be very, very easy for them to go and search you. This P1 ID, there's a way it stands. That is why you need to edit. Now after editing your username, make sure that it shows this green tick. If it shows red here, it means that someone else is using your username, but if it shows green, it means that nobody is using it, so you can use it. Now and click on save to save it. After that, you go back, then go ahead and click on create channel. Now when you click on create channel, you have successfully created a YouTube channel. Now this is where the main work starts, okay, because we have to optimize your YouTube channel. You have to tell YouTube algorithm what this channel is meant for. So we are going to optimize this channel via Chrome. We are going to log in into your Chrome browser so that you optimize the YouTube channel in order to start getting views, subscribers and engagement on your channel. Now let's start by adding description to our channel. So you log into your app called ChatGPT, okay, and you will prompt ChatGPT this way. You say, I want to start a YouTube channel and my niche is, you put your niche there. Please give me a description for my bio that is best for my channel to help me grow and make my channel visible. Okay, then you send it. Now you send it. Allow ChatGPT to generate a description for your channel. Okay, after generating, you can see it now. It has generated. This is the description that ChatGPT generated. Then copy it and head over to your channel. Okay, you see this pencil icon where they wrote description. Click on it and paste that description that you got from ChatGPT. Go ahead and do what? And paste it. Now after pasting it this way, then you go back to go and copy the rest one. Okay, because first of all, you know we just copied only the description. Now ChatGPT generated also what your channel will be offering based on your niche. So you go ahead and copy that other one and paste it. You understand? Then after pasting your description, next now is to look where you see link. Under this place now, click add link. Now under add link, now you can go and copy your other social media links, maybe like Facebook, your TikTok. Now for example, if it's Facebook, when you click on add, you will come here and type the title, which is maybe Facebook, then add the link. Do you understand? Then after here, now we move out, go to your Chrome browser. Now open your Chrome browser like this and click on this continue. Okay, now this method, now want to go and do the proper optimizations, because this is where the work actually starts. Now click on this. Okay, if you are using a laptop, you might not necessarily come through the Chrome browser, but for phone, that is why I'm taking you through process. Click on this continue and then input your email and your password, your YouTube email and password. Then it will bring you to this interface. We are in your YouTube studio. And look by the side of your studio, you will see all this icon. Okay, now click on this icon that look like pencil. That is customization. Click on it. Now when you click click on it, it will open this way. You can see at the top channel customization. The first thing there is a banner image. You have to upload your banner. Okay, I hope you know how to get your banner. If you have gotten your banner already, you upload your banner. If you don't know how to get your banner, watch to the end, because at the end of this video I will also teach you how to generate your YouTube banner. Right, the next thing now is to look for your picture, add your picture there, where you can see picture there, add your picture. Then moving forward, you have to add links. All right, now you add your link from other social media platform here, add your link, your email as well. All right, after this place now, we'll move out from this place now. Then the next thing now is to look down now where you see this icon again. Click on this setting icon, look at it at the down, allow it to load, then it will bring you to this other interface, okay, where you will see this under set, you will see channel. All right, so go ahead and click on channel. When you click on channel, we want to go and add your channel keywords. Now when you click on channel, you will see basic keywords. Look at it, keywords there, keywords. Are you seeing it? All right, you see keywords. Meanwhile, before keywords, you can see country. Don't worry about that one, because YouTube will already choose your country for you. Okay, next thing that you have to do now is to open ChatGPT, okay, because now I want to add keywords. All right, now open ChatGPT and type this. You will say, I started new YouTube channel and my niche. You put your niche there. Give me keywords, hashtag and SEO to help my channel get visibility, trend and grow. Do you understand? That is what we are going to tell ChatGPT. Now after that, look at it, it will give you keywords. Yes, it will give you keywords according to your niche. That is why I always say add your niche. All this prompt that I'm giving you, people, always add your niche. Both the beginning, the first prompt we use for description, always tell ChatGPT what your niche is, because it will generate this according to your niche, based on your niche. Do you understand? Now it has generated what we gave to you. It has generated some keywords. It also generated hashtags. Very important. All right, now the next thing you need to do is to copy all these keywords. You can't copy all, you are copying one by one. Just copy one first, because it will not allow you to copy all at once. Do you understand? Look at this keyword, copy one and go back to that place where you see keywords and paste it. You are pasting one after the other. Paste first the first one, then you go back to ChatGPT, or understand, to copy the rest one. That is how you continue until you copy all the keywords that is generated. The next thing now is tag, because under the keyword, that is where you see tag. Do you understand? Look at under the keyword, you see tag there. Now go back to ChatGPT to copy your tag, because it generated tag for you alongside with your keywords. Do you understand? The first one is to put your keyword. The next one now is to copy tags and come and put your tags there. Now there is one important thing I want to tell you, people. Now after copying and imputing your tag, the next secret that you need to know is one of the secrets that can make your channel to rank, like to make your channel to come out to the field, to make it very searchable. After putting your tag here, look for popular people under your niche and tag their name here. At least add maybe 3 or 4. Those people that are doing the same niche, that normally have millions of views, search for them. You understand? And include their name here. Put hashtag, include their names here after you have put your tags. Your tag from a ChatGPT. Just come here and impute their name. Now what this does is, if you put their name here, immediately their video finish playing. If people are watching their video, after their video finish playing, your own will come out, yours will pop out. Do you understand? Now after putting the tags and their name, okay, go ahead and click on this save. Make sure you save it, or if you not save it, it will not activate. Look at the save there, click on that save to save what you have done. Right, if this video is helpful to you, go ahead and do what, and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right.